I got one on here, Jackson. It's not long enough, I doubt it.
Sure there's one on that?
Yeah, there was, for sure. Oh. Yeah, I got one. Keep spitting it out. Yeah, I know.
Hold on to this.
No, because then they don't bite it if you're holding on to it, I promise. They always do that to you. Yep. See, what did I tell you? They don't like it when you're holding on to it.
There you go.
Yeah, I got him. All right, this one should stay on because it's on power bait. Oh, that feels good. This feels bigger than the last two. And I have this big rod, so I could probably lift them up. Whoa, I have a huge tangle. Dude, I have a huge tangle. Look at my rod tip.
Dang.
That's not good.
Keep them away.
All right, we're good.
Try and keep them under.
Plus, this one only has a single hook, so it should stay on.
He's not as big as the last two either.
Yep. All right.
Bonk them.
Yep.
Well, since you're catching them, you want me? I'll got him in.
What's up, guys? So today we're out at the lake here, fishing for some stalker trout. What should I? This should be the Thanksgiving special right here. So this is our little setup going on here. So we got Hunter, we got this, we got Jackson. He's filleting a fish that I already caught today, but got the GoPro on. I've already hooked like 4 or 5 fish, caught one, so it's gonna be pretty good. Let's get back into it. They're gonna stalk it on black. Got one. Yeah, I still got him. Oh, it's a big one. That's a brooder, dude. That thing is big. On the spoon. How am I gonna get him in, dude?
A long handle on the net. Can you pull him up?
Yeah, probably.
That's a nice one. Slide a little bit, tire yourself out.
Oh.
Didn't spit it out.
Yep.
Damn it. Well, at least you can say you got a big one.
Yeah.
You got it on your GoPro.
I did. I watched the truck pull in and everything. There was, oh, I got one. I got another one, Jackson. Yeah, I'm using the spoon. All right, this one better stay on all the way.
Let it slide a little bit, tire yourself out.
Yeah.
You want to try and bring this one around?
Yeah.
See how we're going to do this one?
I'm not exactly sure.
If you can manage to pull them over here and around, you can go over there and around.
I think I can lift this one up. It's not that big.
Won't risk that one.
Should I just hand line it?
See? Quit trying to do that.
Again?
Yep.
Right.
Because my mom hates the gas pedal or something. You should want.
Oh, shoot, I'm on. As I was trying to fix my rod. Yeah, that was just me. I was trying to tighten the line. Oh, dude, this fish feels good.
I know. Bro, we need like a really long net.
Good.
I should have brought that super long net I have.
Dude, I know.
But I got a coconut.
I can't land anything. No.
Oh, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, I couldn't even see that fish. That could have been a brooder.
It's still.
Oh, that's a good one. Hooked up, baby. I think he's on this side of my line, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, never mind. He's on this side. He's gonna come off. Almost guarantee it. Uh-oh, he's wrapped in that line.
That's a nice one.
Do not come off, boy. Do not come off. No, I do not want him to come off.
Bring him up, bring him up.
Got him. Where's the bat?
I got the bat.
Hit that boy.
Oh my goodness.
Things are looking good. Got the rods out. Fish are being caught. Fish are being fish are being cooked. Things are looking good. Got him. Wait, bro, okay. It's getting a little bit. Just took way longer than it should have. Once we get a little bit full on trout, we'll switch to the river. That's a good one. Dang.
Switch the what?
That's a good one, dude. Sure. There we go. That's really nice. Thank you for that.
Yeah, you're welcome.
All right, sweet. Cat's getting back in there.
That's on the spinner.
It's on the spoon.
Spoon, yeah.
Oh, dude, it's tiny.
Whoa.
It's a
It's like the
micro.
size of the one that was chasing this thing when I rolled it in.
Should we put them on the frying pan?
Why not?
Oh no!
Doesn't matter now.
All right.
Oh, there we go. He's got it.
That's a big one. That's a good one. All right, never mind. Dude, you see the swirl that he put off?
Yeah.
Hey guys, Hunter got a nice little half pounder
On the board.
on the board, baby.
Hunter caught first fish. No, you basically caught it.
Yeah. I'm gonna throw right back over there because there seems like, I swear there was a bigger one by that fish. Cause dude, whatever waked was big.
3 different fish.
Atta boy. Put you on him. That's a pounder.
That's right, you did.
Hey. Yeah, it's a hen too.
Full of eggs. Gear him up.
Nah.
No, Bo said it like I was gonna do it. I'm not gonna let you do that.
All right, guys, just put Hunter on a nice fish. Not a bad one at all.
Bro's teaching me how to bass fish.
That's my job.
The pounder, baby.
All right, guys, just caught this nice. Nah, Hunter just caught this nice fish.
Hey, say that
I'm
about your
gonna put it
girlfriend
back.
too. Massive bass right there. Literally a 6-pounder.
Probably the one that I already hooked. Yep, I see it. That's literally the one that I already hooked. That fish is like a 5-pounder. See, bro, I wasn't kidding when I said I had a big one.
Why? I saw that fish.
I hooked it first.
That's not a guarantee.
Here comes the male. He's got it. Dang it. I even missed.
I'm trying to rip him out.
I even missed the male.
I'm trying. You can have an exposed field.
The male is not
I
chilling.
can't see him now.
The male is not chilling, bro.
No, it's not happy.
Alright, well, at least I finally caught one. I should have let you have this one, Hunter. There she is. She's right there.
Hold up.
Drop it. That might be your PB. What are you doing?
Seems too fast.
Oh my gosh!
Blow up?
That's like a 4. I got him.
Oh.
Alright, never mind. Wait, is he big? Okay, there's a bigger fish back there, dude, because whatever I saw was twice this size. Go for it. There's a really big fish back there, dude. Alright, guys. Yeah. Just
caught about a 1.5. Maybe the hook just popped right out. Just caught a solid 1.5 pounder. Really fat and chunky. There was one twice the size for sure with it. Boys, we are on.
There you go.
Blew up on it. I missed the top water. I didn't get it on film, but hey, at least I got the fish on film. There he is, guys. About the same size.
Yep.
About 3/4 of a pound to a pound. Look at that fish, y'all. Second pond is producing better than the first pond. I'll take that all day. Fish this size is fun. It's a fun size. They're not like micro. They're not like that big either. They're just fun to catch. Put up a decent fight.
Not bad.
I watched him. Nice little pounder. There's like a 5-pounder right there. Bro, come on, get off the hook. He's got it. Got her. Oh my gosh, it's a dink. Let's see if the big girl will come up and eat him. They will. That 6-pounder. There she. Wait, maybe I was seeing. Yep, she's right there, right and throwing right now.
This is crazy. No way. Is she big enough to eat that?
Not quite, but she might try.
She is big enough to eat that?
She could try. She's literally the size of your PB, dude. Here she comes. Oh gosh. Guys, are you seeing this? This big bass is trying to eat the like 1-pounder that I have hooked right now. Oh my gosh, she's got it! She's got it! Got her! Yup! No! She came off. That is a lucky fish, bro. I got the blow up on camera, I think. Yep, I did. Dude, she was like 6 pounds. It was the bigger one, dude. She was huge. Not bad at all. Okay. Dang, I really wanted the big one, but I'll take her.
Hey, that's a good 2.
All right, guys, just caught this one on the Cinco.
That's a nice 2-pounder, man.
Yeah.
So that's a 2?
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah, easy too.
What did you catch it on?
Caught it on the Cinco.
Let's see the Cinco.
Oh, the Cinco came off during the fight.
Wait, can we see inside the fish? Can we? I wonder what it's like to hold a big fish, Elliot.
Yeah, he's over 2 for sure. Wanna hold him?
Of course.
Dang it, bro. Dude, the 6-pounder is just huge.
Oh,